What should we do today, Pikachu?
I don't
Today
really
sounds
know.
fun.
Should we really play like Mario Party or something?
Or Nintendo?
Oh my gosh, that'll be so cool.
Let's play
Alright, you
Pokemon.
stupid brats.
Oh.
Alright,
Oh, you
listen
don't have to call me a
closely.
brat.
Alright, listen. I don't care. Listen closely. Alright, I'm gonna, have a babysitter because you two are babies.
Oh,
You need a
babysitter.
Yeah, I'm gonna make sure if he's mean to you or anything. Like you have to tell me if he was like hitting you or anything like that. I think that's when
okay.
I work, so I'll be back in a few hours. Just tell me like if he's bad.
Wait a minute. Who's our babysitter?
Huh, I don't really know. I guess we'll see.
Alright, brats. So.
Oh my gosh, it's
Unperfectnesses.
Yellow bird!
Yes,
oh my
yes.
gosh.
Well, unperfectnesses, just to tell you, I'm gonna be babysitting you. I'm gonna be babysitting you for a few hours until Mario gets back. Unperfectnesses. So if you're hungry or something, just tell me.
Well, I know we can eat.
Oh
I'm
gosh,
really hungry.
Yeah, I'm hungry too.
Well, I'm really in the mood for... Got some cookies. The Star Wars kind. R2-D2.
R2-D2's pretty cool.
Seriously, unperfectnesses, little grumpy idiots, especially you, Charmander.
Heck no, I'm not making this. What are you doing?
You're making that. You're making that.
My dad, well not my dad, my owner, Mario, said you have to do whatever we did, and if you don't listen, then he's not gonna pay you.
Yeah, he's not gonna call you perfect.
My gosh. You have problems, Pikachu. And you too,
problems.
you weirdo.
Oh, your problems,
Whatever. That's cool to do. Get out of here.
Weirdo.
Hey, don't do that.
Hey, you guys just go to your room. Let me just see the instructions. It says, alright. Preheat the oven to 375. That doesn't sound so simple. Okay, so I'm just gonna put bake. Okay, bake. I'm just gonna put more until it heats 375. Oh shoot! I could burn the house down from that. Mario wouldn't like that. Oh my gosh, it's oven. Fine. I don't even know how Mario uses this. Hey, it's preheating.
Okay, Pikachu. I have an idea. Just stay here and make yourself comfortable.
Wait a second. There was a one up here the whole time. I think I should just get that. Oh, that was so cool. It was a real one up. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. Should tell Charmander about that.
Pikachu! That was Mario's one-up! You know how mad he's gonna be because you ate that? Why'd you even eat it? Oh, wait, I think he has extra ones in his refrigerator. I can replace it.
Okay, here we go. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Yep, I knew he had one. I knew he had one in the refrigerator. Oh my gosh. What is wrong with you, Pikachu? Do not eat this one. Let me replace it. Do not ever eat this one, or I would seriously punch you in the face. Unperfectness.
Dang, I didn't know. He doesn't even care. He just puts it there like fruits and stuff.
Shut up. Go to your room. You and Charmander, go to your room. Go to your room.
You're so mean.
I don't care. Go to your room. Let me just grab the pan. Okay, so I need this. I need this. Okay, I got the two things I need. So first, get out of the wrappers. Get this stuff out of the wrappers. Get stupid wrappers. Okay, stupid wrappers. So I'm just gonna 1, 2. You know, I'm sick of this. Okay. Just spread them all around, just like get them all good. Get this all good. Well, that looks pretty nice. Finally, I set it up, the cookie's looking nice. Oh, it's done preheating. Gosh, I always hate these little stupid little cardboard things they always come in. What am I even supposed to do with this? I know. Boring. Okay, cookies. Let's go with the cookies. That's so heavy. Gotta open this. Okay. Now, we gotta put the cookie. Let's close that up. Nice.
Oh my gosh, that's cool. Our cookie looks so cool. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That's awesome. Pikachu. Gosh. I can't wait till they're done. It looks so magical when they cook.
Wait, let's go over here.
When they're popping.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh, it's done! It's
And the
done!
cookies are done!
Oh my gosh, I can't wait to eat them. They're gonna taste
Yeah.
juicy.
It's so good. Yelbert, they're done.
Oh my gosh, move over.
What the
No!
heck?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I can't let the cookies burn. Oh my gosh. And this. Oh, the cookies. They kind of look a little fat. Whatever, they're supposed to probably look like that when it's closed.
Hey, yo, Charmander, do you want to play Catch the Egg?
Oh boy, do I want to play that.
Oh, well, okay then. You better catch the egg.
Okay.
Well, catch.
I think I got it. Don't got it. Dang it, I didn't catch it.
It's all Yellowbird's fault.
Yeah, I know it's Yellowbird's fault.
What are you guys doing? You guys are gonna get me killed. Mario's gonna kill me because of you two stupid, unperfect brats.
Oh, there you are, Yellowbird. You know what? I command you to clean that up.
Yeah, you
Come on,
deal with
Pikachu.
it. You deal with it, stupid butthead.
Yeah.
No, Mario's home. Oh no.
You stupid. Oh, Yellowbird.
No, Mario, please don't by accident.
No, what's this mess? What's that egg? There's eggs, there's packaging all
That
over
was
the floor.
them.
No, don't believe him, Mario.
Yeah, it's his fault. He made a big mess and he's
No,
beating
I
us up, calling
didn't.
us unperfect and stuff.
Shut up, unperfect this is. No, I didn't.
Yeah, it was him, Mario. He was beating us up.
No, you
He
don't
was
have to
saying
tell me.
we're
I believe you.
unperfect.
I believe you. Okay, you two
What?
play video games.
Oh,
Okay,
this is gonna be so fun. Come on, Pikachu.
Okay.
No, Mario, please do not
Oh,
believe
you
those
know what?
brats. Do not believe
No
those
one's gonna
brats.
call you perfect now. And
Ow! I'm leaving. I'm gonna sue you.
okay.
Oh, finally! That stupid, dumb, idiot Yellowbird's finally gone, and I can finally have some of my cookies. I'm gonna dip my cookie in this milk. Dip, dip, dip. I'm just gonna eat my cookies playing video games with Pikachu. We should probably play like Mario Party or something.